Ever wondered why the French Riviera, with its azure waters and sun-kissed beaches, has been the muse for poets, artists, and novelists alike? Or why Monaco, the second smallest country in the world, attracts the rich and famous like bees to honey? Today, we embark on a journey through these iconic locales, and hopefully, by the end of it, we will have some answers. The drive from Nice to Monaco is one of the most scenic routes in the world, winding along the coast of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a journey that encapsulates the allure of the French Riviera, a place where the sun always seems to shine a little brighter, the sea appears a bit bluer, and life feels a touch more glamorous. Imagine cruising along the Moyenne Corniche, one of the 3 coastal roads connecting Nice to Monaco. The road is a marvel, etched into the side of the mountain, providing panoramic views of the Mediterranean and the towns dotted along the coast. It's a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that has a way of seeping into your soul. As we move further along the coast, the charming town of Villefranche-sur-Mer appears. Nestled in a deep bay, the town is a patchwork of pastel-colored buildings, narrow cobblestone streets, and bustling outdoor cafes. It's a perfect place to stop and savor the Riviera's famed cuisine, with its fresh seafood and aromatic herbs. Further along the drive, the iconic site of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat juts out into the sea. This peninsula is home to some of the most expensive real estate in the world, a playground for the rich and famous. Its lush gardens, opulent villas, and secluded beaches are a testament to the Riviera's timeless elegance. Finally, the journey culminates in the glitz and glamour of Monaco. This tiny principality, less than 2 square kilometers, is a world unto itself. It's a place where luxury cars and mega yachts are the norm, where the casino in Monte Carlo is a beacon of wealth and excess. Yet it still retains a certain charm, with its old town, the Palace of Monaco, and the stunning views from the exotic garden. In conclusion, the drive from Nice to Monaco is more than just a journey. It's an experience, a sensory overload that leaves you yearning for more. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Riviera to the glitz of Monaco, this drive showcases the allure of this iconic region. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of the French Riviera and Monaco, places that continue to captivate and inspire. And if you ever get the chance to embark on this journey, seize it. Because there's nothing quite like the French Riviera and Monaco.